All right, what's up YouTube? It's been a while. On this video, gonna be swapping out the shoes on the car because that passenger front wheel is bent and it vibrates pretty bad at 70 and 80. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the wheels for some new ones, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the new wheels. All right, so I got these off of Facebook. They're 20-inch HREs. I got the other two in the backyard. I'm not gonna keep them red. As you can see, I already got the paint stripper here. I'm taking those out to the back so I can go ahead and start stripping off this paint. And then I'm probably gonna end up polishing them and then throw them on the car. But yeah, they're pretty nice, so let's get into it. All right, here are all four wheels. Now we're just gonna go ahead and apply a thick layer of paint remover. I might start off with the inside of the barrel and then work my way out. All right, so here's part of the process. It's my first time doing this, so kind of getting to learn how to do it. But I learned that you really do need a pretty thick layer of that stripper on there so it comes off easier. But other than that, it does a really good job. As you can see, I got some of that barrel done. The face is almost done and it's looking pretty good. Just got to get all these other small spots. I can add more gel, or I might just see if I can get it off with the wire brush. But either way, we're gonna sand it down. So let's continue. All right, sorry for the noise. It's July 3rd, so nothing but fireworks. But anyways, update on the wheels. I'm trying this citrus strip. It's a lot cheaper, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. You can see right here. I did the other two wheels. That one needs some more sanding. And this one has been sanded and it's ready for polishing. I just gotta get this out. And then I'm gonna paint the inner barrel black. So you should see how that looks. I'll let you guys know how this goes. All right, here's a quick tip that I learned. If you throw a bag over it to keep it more humid, it does help the gel activate a lot quicker. So I would recommend doing this to speed up the process. Made progress update. All right, so I got one wheel almost completely finished. As you can see, the inside's already painted. I have done one rough run around with the polish. I did a medium cut, and I was using this right here. I've never polished wheels before, so this is the first time, but so far not too bad. You guys can kind of see how it's coming out. Still got to go through with the light cut, and it should clean up all this other stuff, but so far it's not too bad, but definitely it's gonna take some time to do. All right, so all the wheels are sanded. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and polish them. I did polish that one. I tried it out with a different polisher, but I don't know if I really liked how it came out. So now I'm trying out this one. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on this. I've done a little bit right here, but I'm gonna keep going and see how it comes out. Okay, so I went with this polisher. I didn't really like the other one I had used, but as you guys can see, they're all done now. They've been polished. Like I said, I've never done this before. It's my first time completely even changing the wheel colors of cars, yet polish. They didn't turn out too bad, honestly. But I could recommend doing this, honestly, maybe if you don't have this many spokes, or at least this many details in the wheel. That definitely makes it a lot more tedious. So I would think about that. If you have a lot of spokes or a lot of details, it's gonna take a lot more time. But other than that, it's not too bad, like I said, but it's up to you. All right, so now I'm just waiting on some rugs to get here. I'm also gotta clean this up. I forgot to take that off, but I'll get it off here in a sec. And Yeah, once the lugs get here, we'll go ahead and throw it on the car and see how it looks. All right, so I'm done with the DIY on my wheels, as you can see. First time wasn't too bad. I think they came out okay. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, want to see more, leave a like, subscribe. I got more content coming out. Try to post a lot more consistently if I can. So see you on the next one.